Hello, Whitefish Bay Middle School. Hope this message finds you well. I know it's been a couple weeks since you've heard from me, so I apologize for not getting something out sooner. We've been very busy here getting ready for this very strange school year, but every day we get a little bit closer to being ready to have you return. So I'm getting excited. I hope you're getting excited. Whether you're coming to school or you're participating from home, it is going to be a great school year, and we are just so excited to see you again. Today, I wanted to share with you some information about Chromebook Pickup. This is really important for all middle school students. We have pickup time scheduled for next week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'll include an attachment to this email that'll give you more specific information about how to do that. But it is absolutely essential that every middle school student come to the building next week to get your Chromebook. So you'll come here, you'll pick it up, you'll pick up some other supplies and materials that we might have for you, your agendas, maybe a math workbook, etc. But when you get your Chromebook, take it home, and you immediately need to charge it and check it just to make sure that it works and there's not any issues with it. And if there are any issues with it, we'll include a little letter with your Chromebook about how you can request repairs. So it's absolutely essential that you do that right away so that on the first day of school you're ready to go. The other thing that I would do is when you open up your Chromebook would be to log into Canvas right away. We've made it even easier than last year. Now there's just a button in Clever that you'll click and you'll immediately be signed on through your Google account, as opposed to having to learn a different password and things like that. Speaking of passwords, when you pick up your Chromebook, you'll receive your login and password information as well. So it's okay if you forgot it or you're new and you never had one. We're going to make sure you get that right away. Then on the 31st, so the Monday before the first day of school, the district is going to be offering some training so that if you do need some help learning kind of the basics of your Chromebook or the basics of Canvas, you'll be able to get some of those things on the 31st before the first day of school. But know that we're going to take, just like every other school year, the first few weeks are all about learning new routines and procedures. So we're going to help you get really comfortable with Canvas over the first weeks and month of the school year. So that time on the 31st is just really to help you feel a little bit more comfortable on the first day of school. Information will be coming out to your families about that. Maybe by the time you receive this message from me, you'll have already received that. Then you can look forward to hearing from me again next week as we get a little closer to the first day of school. I hope to have a timeline for you to let you know when your schedules will be released. That is still a work in progress, and so we are still going to need more time to get those ready to go. But I also then want to share with you some of those first days and week procedure, so that you know what to expect on those first days. Again, whether you're coming to school, whether you're a B group and you'll be at home that first day, or you're fully virtual and you're going to be home every day. So I'll share more of that information with you next week so you can look forward to that. Between now and then, soak up this beautiful summer weather, get your first day of school mask picked out, make sure it looks good. If you're going to be at home on the first day of school, maybe you pick out your first day of school pajamas that you're going to wear, whatever. So look forward to hearing more from me soon. Very excited to see you guys. As always, email me if you have any questions. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.